Hey, to free up space on your PS5 Slim, first of all you have to go into the settings in the right upper corner. From here you have to scroll down into the storage, and now from here, as you can see, we can manage the games and apps, media gallery, save data and other stuff. Let's start from the games and the apps. So right here we will open everything that you have, and let's say that I want to delete everything, so I have to go with the right arrow and then select all. Click OK. As you can see, everything is selected. On the right bottom corner we can actually find the full size that we are going to get after deleting this stuff. So click delete and then just click OK to confirm. In the second way, we can go to the media gallery, and from here we can do basically the same. So go to the left side and tap to select multiple. Now go to the right side, select all, and from here you select everything that you have and you can click delete and then tap to confirm. You will delete, in my case, 22 screenshots. Also, we can go into the save the data. So there's the save the data from the games, from the PS5 games actually. So now just wait for the loading screen, and basically you will have to follow the same steps like we did in the apps and the screenshots. So select the game and delete data like this. So select it, go to the right bottom corner, confirm. And yeah, that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.